Nay, ko andre ma'am. Buaya. Wala. Uy! Mabalintong ba, no?
So close to the water.
Yeah. Ah, the water bender!
The secret lagoon is no longer a secret.
OMG! We are approaching the Amazon River.
Alligators, dude? Crocodiles?
Buaya.
It's the alligators.
Alligator, see you later. Oh, there's a fish. Wow. Stagnant water siya, no?
Stagnant water is bad. Oh, it looks bad.
Should we remain quiet? Be with the nature.
Don't disturb. Don't disturb the nature of the nature. Hello, boat friends.
Look! Wait!
Oi!
Wait!
Oi!
Did you tilt it?
No, I swear.
Mm.
Tilted it. Don't be afraid, I'm here. Is this where Jurassic Park is from?
Yes.
Where all the dinosaurs are?
Dinosaurs are sleeping.
Is that an animal or Filipino?
Huh?
Is that an animal or Filipino?
It's an American.
Wow, probably. Someone's an animal in the water.
Do you know
Oh, I like those prom prawns. Those are exotic.
that is where Moses was found?
That's where they laid down the palm fronds for Jesus walking. That sounds like you at night. You're sleeping.
Ala ka diha.
Oh, there's a slave. Don't put not.
Da 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 da.
Both hands in the ride at all times.
So we are here at the where? Maasin. Maasin Bridge.
Asin Ridge.
Nganong gitawag siyang Maasin, ma'am? Ah, it's because the barangay is Maasin. Is it because Maasin is salty?
Salty, yes.
Maasin.
Carabao.
Carabao. Mo.
Moo.
Mo, moro, mo.
I haven't said contact.
Taas-taas pa ni na river, ma'am.
Taas-taas na, mga 1.5.
1.5. Wow, uy.
Ma'am?
Uy, this is ano oh, deep oh.
1.5 meters?
Yes. One-
7 feet?
1.5 meters ang iyahang distance. Ang ano sa ni? Length. I mean length. The length is so after nato diri ato taog katangnan.
Oh, there's still another thing to do.
Yeah, the Katangnan Bridge.
Oh,
Katangnan ba, ma'am? Katangnan Bridge is the famous bridge. You know why?
Says Daniel Padilla.
Because there's a lot of Afam there.
Wow.
It's called
How do you say
the Afam Bridge.
Can you say I don't care, I'm just silent?
Wala ko'y labot. Wala ko'y labot.
Wala ko labot.
Oo. Ayaw gyud paglabot-labot. Hala, oh, fish.
Nice that it's well shaded. There's a lot of shade.
Hala, oh, good fish, oh. Good fish.
Dinner? Is that dinner? Panihapo?
Panihapon. Wow. Amazing. Be one with the water. One with the water. Be one. Be one with the water.